Okay, here, go in. Okay, this is the first time he's going into off-road. This is real off-road. Look at him go. Slow down, boy. Hello. Keep to your left. People walking, keep to your left. Keep your left, keep your left. Huh? No, a little bit more. Boy. Let's go, let's go. You want water? You want drink water? You can rest and drink. Huh? You have to wear. You have to wear. Take your time, huh? You don't have to rush, huh? John. Come. Take your time, okay? Jonathan, no need to cycle so fast, slowly. Slow down, John. Wow. Victor! So strong. This guy. No, no, no! Over there. Not there. We are in the forest, John. Take your time, you know. Take your time, okay? You don't have to rush, boy. Motorbike behind you.